G'day guys, been a while since you've seen this mug. Yeah, back in the office for the first time in quite some time, and I thought I'd just run through and have a look at a quick top 10. Sorry I wasn't around last week, guys. I was in London and then Perth, and it's been a pretty full-on period of time. Needing a few days off. I'm probably not going to be doing a full day today because it's a beautiful day outside and I'm still feeling quite jaded. Hope you're well across the board. Looking at the markets, obviously we are strongly down. We've got 5 minutes until this market closes for the day, so I wanted to do a video to show you where we're likely to close. Of course, Bitcoin now in a downtrend here. We've got a lower low coming in, breaking this low. Looking at the monthly though, like what's going on here? Let's have a look. First things first, chuck this in, boom, here to here. We're approaching that 61.8% fib zone. Now that's also inside of the cradle zone. The cradle zone, the bottom of the 20, not necessarily a zone, it's bang on 7,000. Okay, so if I just take that out, you can say, well, 7,002. Obviously that moves around. I'd been speaking a while back of the potential for a move to 7,000. It could have actually come a bit deeper. But now, of course, with the moving averages having caught up with, now 3 candles having closed bearish on the monthly, it'll be interesting to see how we act in and around this region. I was hoping to see it consolidate a little bit longer and push on, but of course, hope is not a strategy, and what I have to do now is act upon what I'm seeing, and what I'm seeing is going to be looking for shorts. The two markets that I like right now are the XBT and the Ethereum. Let me show you. There is strong divergence here on this daily. That doesn't mean there won't be opportunity available. I can move to the lower time frames. And the thing is, the fact of the matter is, for those of you who have done my courses, you'll know that you can short. And for those that haven't been into the members area in quite some time, please do. There's a number of videos in there, additional content, as well as showing you how to use the platforms BitMEX, Bitfinex, Binance, and 3Commas. Go have a look at those because they're a step-by-step walkthrough of how to use absolutely everything. You'll also see a range of different videos in that additional content area, which will show you how to short, it will show you how to trade, it will show you the journey of the apprentice, and a whole bunch of new content in there. Not new content, it's just released in a certain structure that'll make it very easy for you to understand, and you can obviously go back and watch it whenever you like. So for me on the 4 hour here, you can see, look, we've just sort of fallen very hard. I've got to move lower here, and even when I move lower, there's no real sign of pullback. If I do see a nice pullback, I'll be happy to take trades to the short side. I've got to wait though. There's nothing even on the 1 hour. Ethereum looking a little bit better here. Let me show you why. We've had this downtrend in motion for quite some time. I mean, the daily does look a lot more bearish. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Looks really nice on the 12 hour here. You can see that cyclicity beautifully flowing through. Now, I'm not suggesting there was any shorts that I took through here because I haven't traded for quite some time. It's been too busy for me to be focused the way I need to be. If we look down here, we found a little bit of support, maybe around this 151 or 152 region. I have to wait and see how that goes, but I am more than happy to be looking at this on the lower time frames here. On the 2 hour, nice convergence. They're coming back into that cradle zone. Look at the 4 hour as well. Moving averages are in the correct order. Would I go to the 1? Well, I was kind of I was kind of happy to look at it this morning on the lower time frames to see if there was any consolidation through here, but we just didn't have anything. And it's obviously starting to move a little bit higher here and regain a little bit. It's regained quite a lot in the last, considering where we were, big spikes as well. So not the greatest chart structure on those lower time frames. Across the rest of the top 10, it's very, very similar, guys. There's not too much dissimilar there. Ethereum, again, looking at this on the 4 hour, pulling back up into this region, back into the 167. You can see some strong support there. Fact of the matter is, the way I'll be trading is I'll be looking at support and resistance levels. Fibonacci boosters, if the market is to continue to dip fast, that is a fantastic trading strategy there for fast-moving, fast-paced markets. So I'll be looking for cradles, Fibonacci boosters, and if I am to look for breakouts, it'll be on the lower time frames. Guys, like I said, if you haven't been back into the members area for quite some time and you have done the courses, go and have a look there. There's a whole bunch of stuff there. We want to make the journey a lot easier for you. Today, it's about being patient and waiting for those short trades. Don't forget, have a great day, manage your risk, and I shall speak to you again very, very soon. Cheers, guys. Good to be back in the office. Bye for now.